All right, y'all, check it out.
They updated the umpires, at least on the website, late.
So you're interested in your first handgun, you know? You don't know nothing about them. All you know is Glock. But then you see the price of a Glock. Then you see it don't have a safety, but a little trigger safety. And go look at the Taurus. You know? It's a great starter pistol right here. Great starter pistol. G2C is gonna hold 12 rounds. Plus one in the head, so you get 2 magazines, you know. You can get your thumb safety. Get your trigger safety. You're gonna get a daggone loaded chamber indicator. Tons of safety features, you know. Sights aren't bad. Real solid gun. Picked this up for $229, man. Real solid gun. Chews up anything. It's a nice little compact firearm too. You got the big little brother right here. Solid full size. It's still a great beginner gun, you know. You're just getting interested in firearms. You look at the Taurus. It's a G3.
It up against the wall and gets a run in. And that's going to help him out big time because as soon as he hit this ball, he's like, oh, I missed it.
You know, there go your safety features again. Got your thumb safety. Got your trigger safety right there. Improved, you know. On the barrel, they got a little witness hole on the barrel. Y'all see it's empty. I'm going to show you. Your little witness hole right there. Again, a lot of safety features. And on the G3, you're gonna get your front serrations. You see on the G2C, you don't got that. I'm telling you, you trying to get interested in firearms? Pick you up a Taurus, man. Pick you up a Taurus, start with it, see what you think about firearms. Then you can get a Glock. But I wouldn't have been comfortable with a Glock before I got this, I tell you that much. I know I wouldn't have had one in the head, none of that shit. None of that. But yeah, man. Ain't nothing wrong with a Taurus firearm, especially the G2, you know, PT-111, G2C, G3, G3C. I'm waiting for that TS9 to come to America. And I'm, for a fact, gonna pick up that. And on the G3, you're gonna get your 115 round mag, 117 round mag. And you can always pick up some 32 round Pro Mag fun sticks for them. Also. The guy named with the cheap little steps that give me confidence. This is my grandma. She's cute like her grandpa. Boy, it doesn't just help me get to retirement. But yeah. Later. If you're thinking about a Taurus, pick up a Taurus. Don't think about it. Peace.